Hello everyone, this is my first Blender video. So today we are going to make a blanket, a blanket, okay, falling down on a UV sphere. So first, let's delete everything and press Shift A, and then go to Mesh right here, and then press UV sphere, and then let's make this bigger by pressing S to scale, and then press G Z. Now, I think this is a great exercise for beginners because it really shows you what this over here does, and it allows you to like be able to like find out what these do, and maybe like start getting into this stuff over here, not just the animation. Okay, now we need to add a blanket. So press Shift A, Mesh, and Plane. Make it bigger by scaling up by pressing Scale. Sorry. Or you can just press this. So press T, and then you get this. Okay? Now, you press this, click on this item, and then scale it up. Or you can just press S, whatever one's easy for you. Or I'll show you a cheat sheet. Press Shift, Spacebar, and then if you want to press S, press S. If you want to press a Shift, Spacebar, rotate, then press R. For now, we're going to do the box. So Shift, Spacebar, B. Or you can just press B. Doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Okay? So now let's bring our cloth up by pressing G and then Z to bring it up. Okay? Now select our sphere and go to the particle properties, physics properties, sorry. This is particle properties. Press on collision, and then let's turn that and let's turn up the friction by 5.5. So what this is going to do is when the blanket gets here, it like it might not slide off, although our we don't have enough friction to do that. So basically the more friction we have, the blanket will not slide off. Okay, and the less friction we have, the blanket might slide off. Okay, so now we're going to begin working on our blanket. Select your blanket and go here into edit mode, or press tab. Okay, now, no, right click on it and press this button right here. Subdivide. Over here, and number of cuts, put this to 35. That way you get a higher quality animation. Okay, now press tab and go to the physics particles and press cloth. Scroll all the way down up to collisions. Click on this and press self collisions. That should be good. Now, when you play this, if you want to make your blanket smooth, you press this and then shade smooth. Of course, this might impact your FPS, so just drag it along the timeline. If that doesn't work, then just watch it. And that's how you make a blanket.